Encountering a missing hard drive after a Windows 11 update. I'll share a fix to address this issue. Stay tuned for quick solutions to ensure your storage is properly recognized on your system. Press Windows+I to launch the Settings app. Select Windows Update from the tabs listed in the navigation pane on the left. Click on Update History. Next, click on Uninstall Updates. Select the recently installed Windows update from the list, and click on Uninstall. Click Yes on the confirmation box that appears. Press Windows+S to launch the search menu. Enter Device Manager in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result. Locate and double-click on the disk drive's entry to view the drives connected to the system. If the drive appears here, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device from the context menu. Next, click on Uninstall in the confirmation box that appears. After uninstalling the hard drive, restart the computer, and Windows will automatically detect and list the hard drive. Launch the Device Manager, as discussed earlier. Double-click on the disk drive's entry. Right-click on the hard drive from the list and select Update Driver from the context menu. Select Search automatically for drivers from the Update Drivers window to let your system scan the computer and install the best available driver. Press Windows+S to launch the search menu. Type Windows Terminal in the text field at the top, right-click on the relevant search result, and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Click Yes on the UAC User Account Control prompt that appears. Click on the down arrow at the top and select Command Prompt from the list of options. Type the following command and hit Enter the run, the SFC Scan SFC/Scano. Wait for the scan to complete, and then restart the computer. Launch the Device Manager as discussed earlier. Click on the View menu at the top and select Show Hidden Devices from the list of options. Scroll down to the bottom and double-click on the Universal Serial Bus Controller's entry. Double-click on the USB Root Hub device mentioned here to launch its properties. Navigate to the Power Management tab, untick the checkbox for Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power, and click on OK to save the changes. Similarly, change the power management settings for all the USB ports. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.